Hi everyone, let's discuss the iron cage theory by Max Weber. Weber's iron cage theory is a metaphor for the increased rationalization and bureaucratization of modern life. Weber argued that as societies become more rationalized, individuals become trapped in systems of efficiency, rules, and regulations that prioritize productivity over personal values, creativity, and freedom. This cage basically symbolizes the limitations that modernity places on individuals, which leads to a sense of disenchantment and alienation. The key aspects of iron cage theory are bureaucracy, rationalization, disenchantment, and loss of individuality. Let's see how. Bureaucracies are designed to be efficient and rational, but can also lead to a rigid adherence to rules and procedures, limiting individual creativity and spontaneity. The process of rationalization in various aspects of life is visible in economics, education, law, and other sectors, which often prioritizes efficiency and calculability over human experiences and values. As traditional beliefs and values are replaced by rational thought and bureaucratic structures, individuals may feel a loss of meaning and connection in their lives, which leads to a sense of alienation. Ultimately, the emphasis on conformity and standardized procedures can suppress personal expression and individuality, as people are expected to fit into predetermined roles, which limits their own freedom and creativity. The real-life applications of iron cage theory in the modern society are visible in the corporate work culture, where many modern workplaces emphasize efficiency, productivity, metrics, and standard operating procedures. Employees often find themselves following strict guidelines that limit their ability to innovate or express individuality. Similarly, when we see the education systems, the standardized testing and rigid curricula in schools can limit creativity and critical thinking as the focus shifts towards quantifiable performance rather than holistic development and learning. Again, when we see the consumer culture, this is also a classic example of iron cage theory, that the commodification of experiences where personal values are often overshadowed by consumerism, and this leads people to measure their worth and happiness through material possessions, which further reinforces the iron cage. So we see that Weber's iron cage theory remains relevant in today's modern society, where rationalization and bureaucratic structures often dominate various aspects of life. While these systems can enhance efficiency and predictability throughout the institutions, they can also contribute to a sense of alienation and loss of individuality. So it is important to recognize the implications of the iron cage, and it encourages individuals and societies to seek balance between rationalization and the preservation of personal values, creativity, and meaningful connections.